Greetings, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delightful short story and translating it together. Let's enjoy a fun learning journey through the magic of language. Meet Tom, a cheerful boy with a big smile lighting up his face. This particular day feels different. It's filled with anticipation. Why is Tom so happy, you might wonder? Let's uncover that mystery. The first sentence of our story reads, Tom is happy today. In Arabic, that transforms into Sa'id اليوم. This simple sentence reveals so much. But what exactly brings joy to Tom? Well, it turns out Tom has plans. He just found out he can go to the park with his friends. As the sun shines and warms the day, visions of laughter and play fill his mind. Picture this, running around, swinging high, and enjoying ice cream under the bright sky. What a fantastic reason to feel joyful. Now we know why Tom is in such high spirits. Keep practicing your Arabic with us. Translating sentences daily turns the learning curve into a fun adventure. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting translations. See you next time.